Okay, today we are racing on, I don't know how to say that, Hakone. Oh no, it's raining. Not in real life. Why is the camera so blurry? Anyways, we're only ahead by 1 point, so this race matters. Let's see what type of rain it is. Maybe just a little drizzle. A little drizzle's fine. Oh my, that's a downpour. Not a downpour, but you know, like rain. Like visible rain. Didn't it rain last race too?
The track here at Hakone is wide, flat, and forgiving. So push your speed and experiment with different lines during the race.
Okay, I'll try that with practice. You might be seeing some highlights of me spinning out in the rain. Okay, practice went extremely smoothly. Not smoothly. Yeah, it went extremely smoothly, and there was like no issues with grip, so that's why there's no like footage of practice. Okay, first to third. I'm gonna go with 15th. No, 17th. I'm gonna prove the robot wrong and hope that Mercedes doesn't wreck me again. Well, there he's right there. I passed him by the first turn. Okay, this time there's noise. Wait, a rolling start? This is different. Whoa, we got a rolling start. This is cool. I love the rooster tails behind these cars. Okay, there's another bridge and it made an awesome noise. Go below everyone. Whoa, there were fireworks. That's gotta be the thumbnail because that's awesome. It's always a pile up in turn 1. Oh my goodness, there's so many cars because it's such a wide racetrack. Okay, we gotta really thread through them if we want to get the win. Okay, thread. Oh gosh. Oh, that was unexpected. My car's starting to be dented already. Okay, we should be able to pass both of them. Okay, we're up to 13th. That's good. Get past you. Well, that was the smoothest pass I've ever done. Okay, we should be able to win this. My apologies. I love how the front of the car never gets damaged at all. Oh wait, that's a different car. That's what. Okay. Oh, I'm catching them so much in the turns. In fact, this 5 laps gives me an extreme confidence too. Is that frog on a soda? My apologies, I was too busy focused on the frog on the soda. Okay. We're gonna catch you. We're gonna catch you. Yeah. My spoiler's up. There's the fireworks again. I love those. This track is awesome. This is my first time on this racetrack, and it's already one of my favorites. This, Maple Valley, and Eagle Rock. Those are my top 3. Daytona is definitely up there. Indianapolis is definitely up there. This track is awesome. Okay, we're up to 6th. Okay, drafting. Okay, there we go, up to 5th. We should be able to catch the rest of these cars in the next couple laps. Especially if we keep up at this speed we're going. That's a different Mercedes, so spoiler. I don't think that's the one that wrecked me at the start of last video. Okay, there we go. There's the frog with the soda again. Is that soda or orange juice? Because the frog looks like it has a green, like, leaf on its back. Like an orange juice mascot would. We're up to 4th. That's pretty good. Okay, we have 3 to go, and we have to pass 3 cars. Okay, I should have this guy this turn. Okay, there we go. A little bit of a block there. There's a floating helmet. And the rain seems heavier than it was in practice. But that doesn't matter, because we're still doing great. Okay, past the Nürburgring car. That car still gives me nightmares. Okay, up to 2nd. There should be 1 car left. Where is that 1 car? That car's in a huge lead. Where on earth is 1st place? Might be able to catch 1st place. Orange frog thing. Have you seen the car in 1st? Oh, all the way up there? Maybe I should have started like a few spots closer. Okay, just keep using these low lanes, and we should be able to catch them. There's 2 to go. This is going to be an intense finish. It could possibly decide the champion. Oh, is that the leader up there? No, I can't tell because of the rain. It's causing like my vision to struggle. Where on earth is 1st place? Because we're like blowing ahead of 3rd, but 1st place is like nowhere in sight. That's just how much faster the car in 1st is. We're gonna need like a miracle to win this. Okay. And it's getting really dark out. And the rain seems to be getting heavier. So maybe 1st place will like slide off track and I'll win. I don't see any red tail lights. This lead is crazy. Oh, I just saw on the mini-map, and he's like so far ahead. I'd stand up to look at the mini-map though. My lamp kind of blocks that. Okay, are we catching him at all? I don't think we are. Just on the fact that car is like out of my line of vision. Now, this has to be a huge lead. Because I'm so far behind. If I had like 10 more laps, I could catch him. So yeah, 2nd place is going to be pretty good unless that's a car challenging me for like the points lead, in which case that would not be good. 1st place would be good. really hope I end up champion, though. It's like, this is one of the last 2 races. Okay. Final turn, we got second. Can we at least see the red taillights? No, we cannot. Oh, we slide off track, but we're fine. No wall contact at all that race. We do have a dent, though. So yeah, second's good. Thank goodness the car I won was 3rd in points, so therefore I am now only 1 point ahead of that car. So I'm going to need to really do good next race, because that car's not really a threat anymore. That car finished so far behind, there's now a 13-point gap. But this car, the one that just won this race, is 1 point behind and definitely very fast. Okay, next video, I'll be racing at Circuit de Spa, another track I have never raced at in this Forza, and it's the final race I'll be doing in the Chrome Audi. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, good game and goodbye.